Never take a shower at 5 p.m. Facts that will save your life. The last one saved 10 out of 10 people. If a tornado looks like it's not moving, it's actually moving towards you. Do not drink the milk of brown coconuts. They contain oils that cause dehydration. So, you should drink the milk of green coconuts instead. If someone ever tries to grab you, scratch them. Their DNA will now be in your nails. If you're ever buried in an avalanche, spit. Your saliva will follow the gravity, and you can simply dig the opposite way. If you ever wake up in the middle of the night to the smell of gas, do not turn on the light. A spark from a light switch could blow up the entire house. Lying flat on your back is the best way to survive a falling elevator. If you ever feel like you are going to throw up, start humming. It's nearly impossible to gag while you are humming. If you want to get smarter every day, follow me.